agent is not a chatbot with ambition. It is something simpler and a lot more useful. An agent is AI you give a goal, real tools, and permission to keep working until the job is done. And just like a new teammate, the clearer your expectations, the better its work. Inside, it runs a cycle. It looks at what is in front of it. It decides on a step. It acts. Then it checks its own work and goes again. Here is the part nobody tells you. An agent is a file you can read. A goal, tools, and a few rules in plain language. You can call it, a schedule can start it, another agent can hand it work. If you can write a note, you can write an agent. The shift is this. You stop doing the work step by step. You define what done looks like, and the agent pursues it. And that is closer than you think. That is what an agent actually is. And the best way to understand one is to run one. More field notes at AI in the city.